Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my best student? Are you fine? I hope you still spirit to study at home and stay healthy. Are you fasting today, guys? Yeah, I hope you still istiqomah until the end, ya. Okay, before we start our lesson for today, let we say basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And let we pray before studying. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi sruhli sadri wa yassirli amri wahlul 'uqdata min lisani yafqahul qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma. Okay, today we are going to learn about soil. What is soil? Yeah, sometimes we use soil for planting. Without plant, there is no oxygen. Without oxygen, we cannot breathe, right? Yeah, so I think soil is important for us. Yeah, what is soil? Soil is the mixture of decayed animal and plants and also small pieces of the broken rocks such as sand, silt, and also clay. Yeah, this is the difference of them. I will show you. This is sand, this is silt, and this is clay. Okay, now you already know the difference of them, right? Okay. The rocks are broken as the result of the process called weathering. What is weathering? Weathering is the process of loosens and break down rocks at or near the surface of the earth. Weathering is brought about by various agents such as wind, waves, plants and animals, frozen water, heat from the sun, and also human activities. Okay, now let me discuss it one by one. Okay, the first is wind. Okay, the wind can blow the small pieces of the rocks, and also it can carry the solid particle such as sand. So if it happen again and again and over, so the rocks will be broken. So the second is waves. Sea waves can wear off the rocks on the seashore. For example, like this. This is a rock and this is the waves. So the waves will wear off the rocks. If it happen over and over, so the rocks will be broken. Okay, and then the third is water. Flowing water and heavy rains can dissolve minerals on rock surface and expose the inner part of the rocks to weathering. Yeah, if you ever see there is water fall on the gutter and the water hit the rocks over and over, so the rock will be broken too. Okay, and then the fourth is heat from the sun. As we know that the heat of the sun can make something expand red, but at the night the temperature will cool down. So the contrast process loosens the particles of the rocks until the rocks break down into the small pieces. Yeah, because the difference of temperature. Okay, and then the fifth is plants and animals. Do you know if plants have roots, right? So if the roots grow into the rocks or in their crevice, yeah, so the rocks will be cracked or break. If you ever see there is plant that grow on the rocks or on their crevice, it can make them crack or break. Or some animals that make tunnel in the ground, it also can loosen the rocks. And then the sixth is human activity. As we know that the activity such as mining and also quarrying is very dangerous for us because it can cause landslide too, right? Yeah, and if they do it again and again, it can make the rocks around that process will be broken. And then the last is frozen water. The freezing action of the water can cause rock to weather. In winter, water trapped in the gaps of rocks may freeze into ice and expand, thus fracturing the rocks. This type of weathering process is known as frost wedging, but this is not happen in Indonesia, right? Yeah, it's sometimes happen in the pole. Okay, I think enough the material for today. Okay, now I will ask you to find the causes of weathering of the rocks around you. And is it because you find, is it the causes because the wind, because the wave, because the water, because the heat of the sun, because of plant and animals, because human activities, or because of frozen water? But I think the frozen water is impossible, yeah. It happened in Indonesia. You can find the causes of weathering of the rocks around you. Okay, you can explain your answer in and submit your answer in Edmodo submission. Okay, Miss Arifa is waiting for your answer. Before we end our meeting for today, let me say Hamdallah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. And thank you so much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye, see you later, and keep spirit to study at home and stay healthy. Bye.